Today we will going to discuss experiment number 10 to perform assay of calcium gluconate. Objective of this assay of calcium gluconate to understand the concept of assay, to understand the principle of calcium gluconate assay, to understand the concept of complex formation, to understand the uses of calcium gluconate, to understand the assay procedure for calcium gluconate, and to understand the use of indicator which is used in the calcium gluconate assay. Then to identify the titrant and titrate in titration, then concept of factor calculation, and understand the concept of percentage purity. The requirement of this experiment: chemicals: calcium gluconate, magnesium sulfate, ammonia solution, modern black second. These all chemicals used for the calcium gluconate assay. Then principle of this experiment: EDTA, ethylene diamine tetraacetic acid, has 4 carboxyl groups and 2 amine groups that can act as electron pair donors or Lewis bases. The ability of the TA to potentially donate its 6 lone pairs of electrons for the formation of coordinate covalent bonds to metal cations makes EDTA a hexadentate ligand. However, in practice, EDTA is usually only partially ionized and forms fewer than 6 coordinate covalent bonds with the metal cations. The disodium EDTA is commonly used to standardize the aqueous solution of the transition metal cations, and disodium EDTA only forms 4 coordinate covalent bonds to metal cations at pH value more than 12. In this pH range, the amine groups remains protonated and thus unable to donate electrons to the formation of a coordinate covalent bonds. Then calculation part, there is a factor calculation. Disodium EDTA equivalent to calcium gluconate ml of 0.05 molar disodium edentate is equivalent to 0.02242 gram of calcium gluconate. Then the calculation part of the standardization: molarity of the disodium EDTA is equal to weight of granule zinc divided by burette reading into 0.000654. Then molarity of disodium EDTA calculate. Then percentage purity calculation: there is a factor into ml disodium edentate solution consumed into molar into 100 divided by weight of the sample. Okay, this is a calculation part. Then principal part: EDTA forms an octahedral complex with the most 2 plus metal cations and in aqueous solution. The main reason that EDTA is used to extensively in standardization of metal cation solution is that the formation constant for most metal cation EDTA complexes is very high, meaning that the equilibrium for the reactions. And then carrying out the reaction in a basic buffer solution removes H plus as it is a form, which also favors the formation of the EDTA metal cation complex reaction product, and the most purpose it can be considered that the formation of this metal cation EDTA complex goes to completion, and this is chiefly why EDTA is used in titration or standardization of this type. Then procedure of this preparation of the 0.05 molar disodium edentate: dissolve 18.6 gram of disodium edentate in sufficient water to produce 1000 ml. Then standardization of 0.05 molar disodium edentate, weight accurately 0.8 gram of granulated zinc, then dissolve into the 12 ml of dilute HCl and gently heating, and 0.1 ml of bromine water Then boil to remove excess bromine. Cool and add sufficiently water to produce 200 ml in a conical flask. Then pipette 20 ml of resulting solution in a flask and neutralize with 2 molar sodium hydroxide. Then dilute to about 150 ml of water and add sufficient ammonia buffer pH 10 to dissolve the pipette and add 5 ml in excess. Then addition of 50 mg mordant black second mixture and titrate the solution with disodium EDTA until the solution turns green. Each ml of 0.05 molar disodium EDTA is equivalent to 0.000654 gram of zinc. This is a second step of the procedure. Then third is a assay calculation. Then weight accurately about 0.5 gram and dissolve in 50 ml of warm water. Cool and add 5 ml of 0.0 molar magnesium sulfate. Then add 10 ml of strong ammonia solution and titrate with the 0.05 molar disodium edentate using modern black second indicator. And from the volume of 0.05 molar disodium edentate required to subtract the volume of the magnesium sulfate solution added. Then the remainder ml of a 0.05 molar disodium edentate is equivalent to 0.0242 gram of a calcium gluconate. After calculation of the percentage purity of calcium gluconate, the value of this calculation is put into the result.